folks. This is your brother Max, Obinka Discoveries. This is a typical Monday morning in Dambai, the capital town of Okirige, in the Kranti East District. This is a typical Monday morning, and today we want to talk about the yam market. This is a typical Monday where it's a market day and yam is in abundance here. Yam, any quantity of yam that you need can be getting here. So folks, let's get into the market. Let's get to the market. This is the yam market. We have typical yam market. Have a variety of yams here. But now at this season, what is in abundance here is the puna. See quantities of yams. A lot of yams here all over. The people are busy selling their yams. And any quantity of yam that you want can be getting from here. So we're talking to some of the sellers. These are all farmers that harvested their yams from various farms, brought it here, and they are selling. All this area is yams. You can't get any commodity apart from yam in all this big area. It stretches down to that far end, as you can see. It's yam all over. We have people coming all over from the country, different parts of the country. They come and buy the yams here, go and sell, and it's very affordable. So we move in there, we are entering different sizes with their prices here. Different prices, different commodities of yams are all over here, different varieties. They are all over. You can't even buy. Sometimes the products are left here for some days before we get buyers. So we are inviting everyone to come and get some of the yams. Come and buy. Wherever you are, you can get some of the yam. You can contact me also. If you want me to assist you, you can contact me to assist you. We have the yams in abundance here. This is the Dambai yam market on a typical Monday morning. And we need a lot of buyers all over. These farmers always complain of them not getting buyers. Even though we get buyers from all over the country coming, still it is not enough, and we want buyers all over. This is the yam market, the Dambai yam market in the Oti region. In the Oti region. So folks, come around. Come around. Just walking through, and I can walk more than Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You've already sold your yam. Hello folks, this is another session where they sell the yams. 3 tubers. But remember, I will buy any saying. So 20 Ghana. Okay. So you see how big they are. They are selling them. This is 20 Ghana cedis. And all these ones, the people buy it in quantities and sell it small. So those of you that cannot buy the large quantities can just get it to buy. So please, I urge you folks to come and then our market here. This is the other section of the yam market. Another section here. Another section. Yam is in abundance here. You cannot even finish buying them. You can't even finish buying them. They are still bringing the yams. Bringing some of the yams. So folks, try and come to the Dambai market, the Dambai yam market. And you never have a cause to complain. This is another session. This is another session. It's yams all over. Yams all over. We need buyers in this place. The farmers always complain they need buyers because they have the commodity in large quantities. This is where those who want just small quantities to buy can just purchase them. So please Come around. Just bring in the products. Some people also carrying, the women are carrying them to their various locations. So come around. I hear you, brother. I hear you, thank you. So, folks, the yam is in large quantities here. Large quantities yam. You can buy any amount of yam, any quantity of yam you need. We have good farmers around who are buying yam. This is a buyer who has just come to buy yam. And please, folks, come and join us. Come and join the farmers here and buy the products. Thank you very much. I'll come your way another time. Thanks.